So today's our topic is fission. So first reaction for fission. Nuclear fission is the process where heavy nucleus is converting into two fragments, means one heavier nucleus. Because of this reaction, we have now two smaller nucleus, that is called fission reaction. So whenever we strike neutrons on heavy nucleus of uranium, which is 92 uranium 235, so because of this neutron 1, it is converting into 236, one more in atomic mass, right? Further, this is now unstable uranium, and unstable and excited uranium further spontaneously gives the reaction, and it is now converting into barium and krypton. So these elements are like two half elements of one uranium, right? And now further we are having three neutrons which is emitted during this process, right? Further, similar in this reaction, uranium strike with neutrons, it is converting in this uranium which is now in excited state. Further, it is converting into two fragments which is equally half fragments. So this is called antimony and niobium, and in this reaction four neutrons are emitted, produced during this process. And the third reaction, similar reaction, but now we get direct two fragments which is one xenon and strontium, and two more neutrons will be produced in this reaction, right? So from this all the reaction we are having two fragments which is approximately equal, so they are equal approximately, right? During this process, during this nuclear fission process, we are having lots of energy which is in the form of heat energy, right? So always in each process, these processes produces heat energy. Okay, it's for example, if we have one 240 atomic mass element, now 240 atomic mass element, its binding energy per nucleon is equal to it is 7.6 mega electron volt. But after fission process, it is converting into 120 and 120, two fragments. So 120 and 120, and now their kinetic energy is 8.5. So see, initial energy is lesser than final energy which is now in fragments. So the difference between this energy, difference of energy is 0.9 mega electron volt. So gain energy, total gaining in energy due to this fission process, we can calculate it. How? So that total energy is equal to 120 into 0.9 plus 120 into 0.9. So after that we are getting 216 mega electron volt. So this amount of energy we are gaining during this nuclear fission process, right? So that is our today's topic, nuclear fission.